Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the day. Finally, I'm traveling back home. That is my home. I'm staying in Doha, so I'm going to meet my family, my wife, everyone. So I'm so happy. So tickets has been booked already, and there's a surprise for my wife that I'm going to Bhopal, not Indore, and she's not aware of this. So let it be a surprise, and I'll surprise her after reaching Bhopal. Okay. See you guys. I'll show you all the way from my place to all the way to Bhopal. How I'm traveling. I'll show to the whole airport. I'll show the way from where I'm traveling from and everything. And let's start. And I'll book now Uber. Book a Uber to airport. Is being booked. So confirm pickup. Yes. Rates okay, bhai. जान दो. Now today is the time I have to travel. तो lights कम है यहाँ पर. Don't judge my bed. It's little messy. Okay, वो बुक हो गई है. So मिलते हैं ऊपर में. Okay guys, so I'm just leaving my lift. Bags pack हो गए हैं. Helmet भी ले लिया है मैंने. If in case if I'm riding or anything in Mahu, so I'll be wearing this helmet. This is the helmet what I used in Ladakh as well. So I'm really excited to meet my family, my wife after a long time. अभी लद्दाख के बाद अभी तक नहीं मिला उनसे. So just waited for this long days to pass. It's a very hard journey, guys. Let's go. Let's go. It's not still not. This is our Toyota signal. मस्त लग रहा है ना. नंबर 3 में उतार देना भाई. Okay, so people, everything is done, and I'm moving forward to my home. Immigration is done, and the security is also done. You can see the beautiful airport at the back side, and now I'm moving forward to my country. That is, and this I already told you there's a surprise in this video. I'll be giving a surprise to my wife that I'm planning to go to Indore, but now I'm not going to Indore. I'm going to Bhopal, and as you can see, a beautiful airport at the backside. This is Doha Airport, and this is such a lovely place where I'm working. So you can see such a beautiful place, man. It's really good, and you can see a beautiful place. This is. This is the teddy bear. What is like very beautiful, and you can see. Oh wow! This is I think this is the icon of Doha, and just behind us, all set to go. All set. Everything is done. Really feel very good to travel back home like after very long. बहुत अच्छा feel होता है, and especially this is like festive season for all of us, and that is Dasai. And you can see Louis Vuitton also over here, guys. Maybe the quality is not that good, but the airport is so lit up, like I can record anything anywhere. And for the mariners, this is a mariners lounge. And guys, this is a surprise, not a surprise, but this is a very good thing for all the iPhone lovers. If you're transiting from Doha, you can buy iPhone. Oh man, such a crowded. See the crowd, man. Itni bheed. People's MacBook and everything is here. I'll just show you the price of iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let me just check It's so crowded. I'm not getting a place also to go. Still time is there, na? Flight ka time hai ki nahi? Sorry, excuse me.
What color you have?
Oh, this iPhone 16.
No stock, finished.
iPhone 17.
Whole line of finished, sold out.
iPhone 17.
Sold
iPhone
out.
17 Pro Max.
Finished. Nothing to say.
17 Pro Max is also there, guys. This is a beautiful color.
Don't have.
The color is beautiful color.
We are come back. Where?
Everyone is a fan of this color.
We are at come back. No, you mean
iPhone 17 Pro.
if you want?
Okay, let's move, guys. I'll show you one more thing. All the creators who are here. एक और चीज़ दिखाता हूँ मैं आप लोगों को. Very good thing for all of us. अगर जो लोग क्रिएटर है उन लोग को बहुत अच्छे से पता चलेगा कि ये क्या चीज़ है. And they will be very fan of this. You can see the drones are here. Price is 3199 for this fly and 4499 for this one. I think this is DJI Air. This is small chotu sa bhi hai 11. I think 1199. You can see we have this small GoPro also. So if you can. So yeah, ना अच्छा collection है इन लोग के पास. A good collection. PS5 भी है. And very good options are here. I'll show you one more thing, guys. But time तो है ना मेरी flight का यार. Vintage. So awesome, no? This car. All the watches collection also I'll show you. So awesome, man. Let's see. If you're a fan of cars, bikes, and in Doha we have this. What do we say? That is, I think, क्या बोलते हैं यार इसको? Lottery. Yeah, lottery. If you are here, you can buy a lottery, and you can win a car and all. This is Charlie side, and that is Bravo. That is that is Bravo, and this is Alpha. So I'll just show you the train as well. We have a train also in this airport. So we'll just take a quick ride of this train, and we'll see you guys. We are going for a train ride. Multi-view mode on. Okay, I got so excited, guys. मैं आप लोगों को ये बताने भूल गया कि मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ. I'm going to Bombay. So Bombay, that is with Indigo. I'm traveling. So I'll show you the places where I'm going. Okay. थोड़ा अंधेरा हो गया इधर, but still okay. We'll manage to shoot videos and everything. My gate is C83. That I have to go down for that thing, and I'll go to that gate. So now we are in the floor. This is the after getting off the train. You can go down for your departure areas. This is at the end of C. So this is around like C13, C12. सारे gates आसपास में ही है. Okay. So yeah, इनका such a beautiful place. ये सूख जैसा है यहाँ का जो दोहा का है ना, सूख that looks like that only. And बहुत ही मस्त खुशबू आ रही है चाय की. और यहाँ पर ये लोग कुछ तो बना रहे हैं. I'm not sure क्या बना रहे हैं. But they are making something very beautiful. You can see all the places like they are making something, and you can see the gate is C12B over here, and everything is here. Such a beautiful airport, man. Like, and you see the HI लोगों ने कितना मस्त अच्छे से सजाया है इसका. So it looks so beautiful, no? Very good. Beautiful Doha airport. So finally मैं बैठ गया हूँ फ्लाइट में. This is my first experience in Indigo. A lot of experience I had before, but that is from domestic only. This is my first time I'm traveling international in Indigo flight. So let's see how does they treat us and how is the experience. And I've traveled a lot of time with Qatar Airways and Air India from Doha, but this is the first. And let's see if it goes very well, then I will be traveling with Indigo. Hope so. They serve us. So I want to show you guys like Indigo with the which is here. Hey guys, welcome to Mumbai. So I've already landed in Mumbai. So the first phase of journey is finished now. So I'm just waiting for my next phase of journey, that is to Bhopal. So you can see like it's very rainy. I think it's rained today a lot. बहुत गंदी बारिश हुई लग रहा है यहाँ पर. So now my second phase is you already know, that is to Bhopal. So let's see how does it goes, how my surprise goes to my wife. Till now she doesn't know like I'm coming to Bhopal. So let's see how's her reaction and everything. And let's hope for a good journey. And I was about to give you the experience of my Indigo journey. I'll let you know all the stories, what happened in my flight, and what all things I faced. So I'll let you know each and everything. So like I used to travel with Qatar Airways, but today is my first experience internationally traveling in Indigo. So I'll let you know all the things. Okay. So I can see. I'll let you know सारी चीज़ें बताऊंगा क्या हुआ कैसा हुआ एंड कैसा मेरा एक्सपीरियंस विद इंडिगो. पहले मुझे अपना ये बैगेज अराइवल से अपना बैगेज लेने दो, एंड बिफोर दैट आई नीड टू क्लियर इमिग्रेशन, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई हैव टू क्लियर कस्टम्स. उसके बाद मेरा बैगेज मिलेगा, देन आई हैव टू गो टू द डिपार्चर्स. लकीली टुडे आई एम ट्रैवलिंग विद एयर इंडिया to Bhopal. So that would be in the same terminal, not in the different terminal. Before I used to travel with Indigo, so I have to go to T1 to get my Indigo flight, because all the domestic flights which are operating domestically are operating from the T1, not from T2. This is the new terminal, that is T2, and I'm not sure about the new terminal which is being open, or I'm not sure about it is open or not. Navi Mumbai place. So I'm not sure about that. So let's hope. And there is one more surprise. It's not a surprise, but it can be a dream come true for me, like as a middle class boy. I would like to travel in some class of cabin. So I have requested, or I have planning to travel in that one. If it is goes, I'll let you know that also. I don't want to tell in advance, क्योंकि मैं नहीं चाहता कि अगर मैं बता दूं और वो चीज़ ना हो, सो वो चीज़ मैं दिखा भी नहीं पाऊंगा एंड हो भी नहीं पाएगा ना. सो बेटर कि वो चीज़ हो जाए, then I'll let you know what happened. Okay guys, so stay with me till the end. Now I'm going towards immigration. So let's to have that security thing confidential and everything. So I'll not shoot all those things, only I'll just show it around, like how does the immigration looks of Bombay, and I'll let you know. Okay, so first it's like Indian passport and everything is here, you know. You can see it's good यार. ठीक है, खाली पड़ा हुआ है इमिग्रेशन, तो फटाफट क्लियर करता हूँ. इमिग्रेशन क्लियर करने के बाद मिलता हूँ आप लोग से. ठीक है. हाँ गाइस, थोड़ा चमक दमक भी आपको दिखाया कि कैसा चमक दमक है बॉम्बे एयरपोर्ट का. यहाँ पे कॉफ़ी है, थोड़ी दारू शारू भी हो जाए. कौन सी रहेगी आप लोगों को दारू? कौन सी दारू चाहिए भाई बताओ, सब मिलेगा यहाँ पर. So just wanted to have a look. This all wines and everything is here, and this oh, Bacardi is here, man. You can have a look, guys. Let's have a look. Such a good stock they are. Ah, yeah, this was I was looking for Indri. It is just similar to my wife's name, that is Indira. So I always wanted to have this rum. Okay, ये नहीं डालूंगा मैं. Okay, guys, so this is domestic airport. I've already checked in. So what I've told you guys, so that has been done. So तुम्हारा भाई जा रहा है business class में. That is to Bhopal. So guys, this is the first time I'm traveling in business class. So might be it a small thing for you guys, but it's really a big thing for myself. So this is the first time I'm traveling. Either if it is in Air India, but still like I'm traveling in business class, guys. So just देखो आज तुम्हारा भाई कैसा जाता है. Like let's see like how does it goes. And this is the first time I'm traveling in Air India in business class. Yeah, I heard like we had a crash last time in Air India, but still let's see how does it goes. Okay, so I'll just explore some places. We have some food court area also. It's already 9:25. कल रात से नींद ही नहीं आई बिल्कुल भी. It was so crazy tight. And मेरा gate जो है that is 81, I think. And gate number is 87 Bravo. That is I think it's really far. So थोड़ा भागना पड़ेगा अभी. ठीक है, अभी गेट में पहुँच के तुम्हें बाकी की कहानी सुनाता हूँ कि क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ. So I'll tell you according to that, right? Okay. So MACD भी लेना है तो so you can have a MACD over here. It's really okay, I think. गुड मैन, अच्छा लग रहा है देखने में तो एटलीस्ट. कुछ तो अलग बनाया इन्होंने. बट बड़ा ही कंफ्यूजिंग एयरपोर्ट है यार. अभी जस्ट बाय मिस्टेक मैं अभी 40s के साइड में जा रहा था. बट पता है ना अपना एयरपोर्ट में भी कैसा होता है. सो आई जस्ट केम टू दिस साइड. आई वॉज नोइंग दैट आई वॉज गोइंग इन द रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन. सो लकीली आई केम इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. So ठीक है. So all over everything is okay. Let's see how does it goes. First time traveling in business class. That is also our home country company. That is Air India. So I'll share that experience also. I have to share my one more experience that is with Indigo. So I'll share that one as well with you guys. But let me have some time. गला भी सूख रहा है and I'm not slept properly till रात भर से इतना excitement था कि that I couldn't sleep also. So let's see. Okay, let's take some water, man. I'll show you one more thing. It's really handy over here. I have this vending machine over here. So like to get a water, it's very easy, guys. रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करूँ बोलता है लेकिन इतना अच्छा सा जगह है यहाँ पर. देखो पीछे रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा है यार. क्या बंद करो, इतनी अच्छी सुंदर सुंदर मस्त बनाया एयरपोर्ट यार. लेकिन सो अभी बोर्डिंग स्टार्ट होने वाली है. सो आई वाज जस्ट टॉकिंग बिफोर दैट आई विल शेयर सम एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ इंडिगो. what was my experience of Indigo and how did I feel with Indigo. So all over the experience was really good. It was okay. Talking about the comfort was not that good. Seats were not that cushiony. लाइक अभी मैं कंपेयर कर भी रहा हूँ तो किससे कंपेयर कर रहा हूँ. लाइक वर्ल्ड नंबर वन एयरपोर्ट एंड वर्ल्ड नंबर वन एयरलाइन से कंपेयर कर रहा हूँ. दैट इज कतर. बट ठीक है, इफ यू आर लाइक a budget travel or like if the rates are okay in Indigo airline, you can go ahead and buy that ticket. But in case if the rates are like equal, then it's better to go with Qatar Airways. Everybody knows that thing, but still just from my perspective I'm telling the story. And I'll share some photos and videos also like of the food what they have provided us while coming from there. And the service experience what I can say of the crew is like is like okay as compared to Qatar Airways is like very down. There's no comparison of Qatar Airways in service in everything you can say, man, everything. This airport also like is this is the like I felt like this is a very good airport. It is also a little confusing अभी जैसे मैं आ रहा था फ्रॉम 45 टू नो मेरा गेट नंबर है 87B, but the gates were really confusing, and it's very dull also, like it's not that like the airport or like what Commerce airport. I think it is made in that way only, but I didn't like, it's my perspective, so everybody has their own perspective, so this is my perspective to say it, okay. And but this architecture and everything, they have made it very 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 good, so do visit. This is the domestic part of the airport, and what I'm sharing now. So it's really, really good. So let's see. Now, this is the second phase of my journey, that is from Bombay to Bhopal to meet my wife. I'm already telling so many times in this video that I'm really excited for this trip. Let's see how she will react, how she will have that experience. उसे कुछ आइडिया तक नहीं है कि क्या होने वाला है, उसको तो यही पता है कि मैं डायरेक्ट इंदौर जा रहा हूँ, देन इंदौर जाके मैं घर जाऊँगा, फिर घर से वापस आऊँगा. That only she knows. But let's see. This is the first time I'm giving her this kind of surprise also, and let's see. एंड क्या होता है. एंड बोर्डिंग स्टार्ट हो गई है. अगर शूट करने का मौका मिले, अगर कुछ है तो मैं थोड़ा सा शूट करके दिखाऊंगा बिजनेस क्लास में. बट इधर वे डजंट लुक गुड ऑल्सो, लाइक इन बिजनेस क्लास सब सोफिस्टिकेटेड रहते हैं एंड ब्ला ब्ला. मैं यार हम की लोग बना के अंदर अपन जा रहे हैं. सो देखते हैं कैसा क्या एक्सपीरियंस होगा. अब मैं जो भी एक्सपीरियंस रहेगा, मेरी बोर्डिंग चालू होने वाली है, जो भी एक्सपीरियंस रहेगा आई लैंड इन भोपाल एंड आई लेट यू नो. एंड मैं वो भी बताऊंगा कि कैसा उसने रिएक्ट किया. और मैं अभी अभी क्या सीन है कि अभी आगे का क्या सीन है कि लाइक आई बी लैंडिंग देयर बाय 12 o'clock, एंड उसकी शिफ्ट खत्म होती है 2 बजे. ठीक है, तो मुझे अभी 2 घंटे का जो टाइम है, मुझे वो टाइम स्पेंड भी करना है और उसके लिए सरप्राइज प्लान भी करना है. तो आई हैव टू बी वेरी लाइक नाउ व्हाट टू डू. एंड मैं रात भर से सोया भी नहीं हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे इतना एक्साइटमेंट था कि मुझे फ्लाइट में भी नींद नहीं आई. एंड द को पैसेंजर वर लाइक सो आई डोंट वांट टू कमेंट इन दैट थिंग, बट अब को पैसेंजर थोड़े गलत निकल जाए या कुछ हो जाए तो हमारी फ्लाइट जर्नी एंड ऑल विल बी मिस्ड अप, राइट. So anyway, we'll see you in Bhopal. I'll share some pictures and I'll share my experience as well of business class. ठीक है गाइस, कैसा क्या रहता है, तो आपको भी एक्सपीरियंस हो सकता है. एंड आई विल टेल यू. ओके, सी यू इन भोपाल. So friends, I've already reached at her place. I'm just waiting for her to come. I've already told her that I've already taken the cab to my place. So let's see when she comes. I think she's already left her place, hospital, and I'm just waiting here for her to come, and I'll give a surprise to her. Let's see her response. कैसा होता है उसका response, and I'm just eager to see her response. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Guys, she's about to come now. I've already spoke to her. बात हो गई है उससे, एंड मैं यहाँ तक छुप के बैठा हूँ. जैसे वो आएगी then I'll speak to her. Guys, I'm really excited. क्या होने वाला है, क्या होगा. अरे यार, कांड भी इतने कांड होते हैं ना यार, क्या बताऊँ यार. अभी चाबी गुम हो गई उसकी, और अभी चाबी नहीं मिल रही उसकी. अपने दोस्त को बोला उसने चाबी लेके आने के लिए. लेट्स सी यार मैन. अभी हमारा टाइम भी हो गया है. नाउ इट्स ऑलरेडी 2:35 हो गया है. आई एम जस्ट वॉन्डरिंग कि अगर बस मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी. आई एम जस्ट वॉन्डरिंग फॉर दैट ओनली. सो लेट्स प्रे फॉर मी गाइस, एंड प्रे फॉर मी एंड हर सेल्फ. लाइक हम लोग को फटाफट में उसको सरप्राइज़ करके उसका बैग पैक करके एंड वी कैन जस्ट गो इट. गाइस, आई एम गेटिंग रियली एक्साइटेड. एंड वो आने वाली है. चाबी मिल गई है उसको अपने फ्रेंड से, एंड आई थिंक शी शुड बी ऑन द वे नाउ. मुझे जैसी ऑटो की आवाज़ आएगी एंड शीज़ देयर गाइस, शीज़ देयर. अरे बेबी, किधर जा रही हो तुम? ऐसा सरप्राइज दिया तुम्हें मैंने, और तुम ऐसा रिएक्ट करोगी तुम?
वो ऑटो वाले को तो भेज दूं मैं. मतलब आपने उसमें वक्त.
नमक चाहिए मैडम को. नमक
नमक नहीं है.
शॉप है।
इतना बेकार
आ रहे भाई, आ रहे।
पार्सल लेके चला गया।
बस का बुलावा आ गया, आपको जाना पड़ेगा भाई लोग।
पर हमको नमक नहीं मिली।
Okay, so guys, finally I have reached my place at home, and I gave my surprise also to my wife very well. She's so happy, and so I'll end this vlog over here. So keep liking, keep sharing, and everything. Okay, so see you soon. See you in the next vlog. Keep loving. Thank you guys.